Vlog.
Well guys, I finally did it. I bit the bullet and I got me an Apple Watch. But not just like some Series 2 that was on the cheap. No. This is the big daddy. This is the Apple Watch Series 3, and it's even the cellular version. I'll tell you how I got it. So, I'm looking around on eBay and I noticed there's this outfit out of Kentucky called Link that's offering manufactured, refurbished items, including said Apple Watch. And if that's all it took to knock off 50% of the price, then I'm all for that. I got the incredibly highly sought dark olive sport loop. I can't believe how comfortable this is. I'm gonna completely forget that I'm wearing it. But why did I do that? So that I can track the progress of my runs for you guys. So, this week's runs are about to start when I can figure out how to get that open. It's asking if I'm ready. And here it goes, guys. This is a monumentous occasion here. Let's do it. Well, after a week of use, I can tell you how this particular Apple Watch, manufacturer refurbished, stacks up. One tiny little minute scratch. No one is going to realize unless they see this video. The band, perfect working condition. The box, fine. Everything fine. It just wasn't quite repackaged correct. The loop was not in there correctly, and instead, the Apple Watch kind of slushed around. But what's it bouncing off of? Just some miscellaneous paper. I think it's perfectly fine. Battery checks out, screen has no scratches. At $285, no taxes because it was on eBay, free shipping, that was pretty much overnight. This is about half the price of what you would have paid had you bought this straight from Apple. So, very satisfied. If anything though, I wish they could update something in watchOS. I would like Siri to be able to say aloud what I ran. You know, that way it works well with the video here. Hey Siri, how far did I run during the workout? Beep, beep, dee, doo. You ran 2 miles.
Like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. Vaughan Jog Vlog is made possible by your support on Patreon. Patreon.com/Vaughan Fry. Because f*** Google.